How to buy eSIM in trip.com. So to be able to buy an eSIM on trip.com, first thing you'll need to do is to access trip.com and then go ahead and look for the eSIM section at the left side of your screen. So if you don't find that, you can use the search bar and look for eSIM. Click on search and that will take you here. So you can go ahead and select the eSIM type that you want to avail. So you can avail the Philippines eSIM, Southeast Asia, Asia eSIM, Asia Pacific, and more in here. So here are your choices. So select what applies for you. So for example, you're gonna travel on the Southeast Asia, simply select Southeast Asia. And then from here, go ahead and click on this select package button to select this package. So set your package and price, such as the package duration and the package contents. And then click on this book now button. And you should be redirected into the checkout page where you should provide your payment method. And once paid, you can go ahead and use this eSIM into your device. And that is how to buy eSIM in trip.com.